Back out for Shea. Shoots, saved by Bobrovsky, and then opportunity, and that is stopped as well.
What a stop. Well, great patience all the way around by Ignatius Teravainen, and he gets the puck to Shea. A big rebound, and watch the play here, right there by Bobrovsky. Aho just not able to get any elevation here, Jonesy, on the second chance opportunity.
And what a skillful play by Aho to kick it from his skate to his stick and quickly get